Hello everyone, I am Parth Bhardwaj, final year student of Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, pursuing BTech in Mechanical and Automation. Me and my fellow mates Pranshu Jain and Saeem Ahmed Khan are working on a project of designing and manufacturing of robotic arm. It's a 6 degree of freedom robotic arm with motions in each axis as XYZ axis with your roll and pitch. Its all components are 3D printed such as base, end effector, arm, gearbox, even the small bearings are also 3D printed. With it we are using the fishing threads to make it lightweight and easy to move. It is totally based on the ROS platform, and at the end effector we are using the electromagnet, which is a detachable attachment. Our main objectives for these projects are precision and accuracy, reduced waste, reduced weight, improved ergonomics. So let's have a small sight on our project.